Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann was a German physician best known as father of homeopathic system of medicine. Samuel Hahnemann's main principles regarding homeopathy: similia similibus curenter. These homeopathic axiom expressing the law of similars, or the doctrine that any drug capable of producing symptoms in healthy individuals will relieve similar symptoms occurring as an expression of disease. The same thing expressed as law of similia means those symptoms that a substance is able to cause to appear in a person when exposed to it, that same substance also has the ability to cure those same symptoms in a person where they occur naturally as a part of a disease process. Now come to the main discussion point: known or unknown facts regarding homeopathy. Some people till date do not try homeopathic treatment, think that homeopathic treatment is not suitable to cure the disease. I think it is our responsibility to change their concept. This episode attempt to eliminate the misconceptions regarding homeopathy. I think it's not their fault in us. We are not taking interest to promote this system of medicine by statistical data. It is always required to develop a system of medicine by statistical data. Unfortunate it is, you can rely on this system of medicine for its curative property. It is very efficacious treatment procedure. Regarding side effects, every medicine has side effects if you took it in overdoses. As main source of homeopathic medicine preparation from either chemical substances or animal or plant substances, therefore side effects may there if you use it in over or high doses for a prolonged duration. But one thing it is to be clear to you that homeopathic medicines have minimum side effects. It is cost effective or economical treatment for everyone till date. Misconception: certain percent of patients have an idea that homeopathic medicines at first increase the disease symptoms, then decrease gradually the disease symptoms. It is not a true belief. As for example, patients suffering from high rise of temperature or fever, it is not desirable to increase temperature at first by medicine, then decrease it. It's totally a misconception. Actually, it happens when medicine given in higher dose or improper selection of medicine or wrong diagnosis. So it's assured to you that took homeopathic medicines for your any kind of disease treatment by the supervision of a doctor. Another misconception regarding homeopathic treatment: patient thinks homeopathic treatment requires long time to cure a disease and recovery is slow. It's not true. Maximum disease have quick response through homeopathic medicine. Minimum number of diseases require prolonged time, unlike other system of medicines. In every system of medicine require proper diagnosis and selection of medicine to treat and cure any disease as early as possible. Homeopathic treatment is much more tough enough because, as I earlier described, that symptom similarity of the medicine with the disease require. Otherwise, proper treatment will not be executed. So, symptom similarity and actual diagnosis of the disease is the key of success of homeopathic treatment. Advice for patients: took medicine as per your doctor's advice. Follow the dietary advice. Patients required to cure the disease. In any system of medicine, it is required to faith on your doctor. Remember, every doctor try his best to see smile on your face by curing your disease. Thanks for watching this episode.